So the last thing we want to do is export your video. We're going to go ahead and save it. So Command S to save, or you can go up here to the save file as well. Export is actually in a different place for motion. It's in the share up here. So we could save it to mobile devices. That's what they're calling the Apple devices, are your mobile devices. DVD, Blu-ray, you could send it directly to YouTube or Facebook or Vimeo or whatever. But here is where we're going to actually export the movie. And we want to make sure our export, we could do it the same as the source in the format of the original project, which is normally what you're going to do. But if you need to compress it down a little bit more to maybe a mobile, then you might want to use the H.264 higher quality. The higher up you go is the higher quality until you get to the uncompressed. Those are a little bit, because they're not compressed, those are the full range of the video. So we'll keep it the same as source. The other thing you need to double check on is the duration. Well, our project we started with was 10 seconds. We wanted to only use our play range, which we cut down to 5 seconds. So then I'll check my summary, look and see if what type it is, and so on. Really, you're checking this bottom one to make sure it's what you want. And see here, it tells us Apple ProRes 444, which is actually a higher rate. So I might want to go back and change this to a more compressed type video. And then I'm going to save it. And give it a little time to export. And then we're done. So here is our 5-second video. Here's our time, how long it is. Okay, so that's where it ends. Again, this started off with sound, with audio, so you can adjust that as you need to as well.